You sneezing? You got something in your nose making you sneeze? Never heard a kitty sneeze before. Come here. Psst. Come here. You're so funny. You got something in your nose? You got some dust up your nose? Maybe a little bug up there? If we're sticking your face in the bushes out back. Why you got something up your nose? Such a sweet pie. This is Taffy Girl. You're so funny. You don't have flea bugs, do you? Flea bugs biting you? Is that a pretty girl? Did you get over your sneezing? You got something up your nose?
Tiny little nose.
It does have a tiny little nose. That stuff gets up her nose too, I guess. Especially when you stick your head in the bushes.
What? You okay? You okay? We always touch noses. She was sure cozy in her little bed up there with us last night.
Such a good girl.